everyone, today we're cutting through the noise and looking at what really matters in the world of crypto. From failed meme coins to privacy wars and how the job market in Web3 is expanding, this video is about the deeper shifts happening in crypto that affect all of us. I'll also talk about the rise of XRP ETFs, why people still flock to gold during geopolitical unrest, and why privacy coins like Monero are more critical than ever. Let's dive into these key developments and talk about what they mean for the future of cryptocurrency, not just as a market, but as a movement. Let's start with the absurd, shall we? The Three Arrows Capital founders, who were responsible for one of the largest collapses in the crypto space, have launched a meme coin. And guess what? It crashed almost immediately, quite appropriately, I might say. Now, I want to make something very clear. These guys have a history of failure, yet they still manage to attract investors chasing quick gains. Now, let's not forget what these people have done. They have gambled with billions of dollars worth of crypto and left retail investors holding the bag. This is a reminder that speculation rarely leads to anything of real value. Crypto wasn't built for this. Crypto is about decentralization, empowering individuals, not making a few people rich at the expense of everyone else. So stop giving your money to those who've already proven they don't deserve your trust. Next up, Bitwise has officially filed for an XRP ETF. After the SEC finally passed the Bitcoin ETF, it wasn't long before institutions lined up to offer Ethereum ETFs. Now we're looking at the possibility of an XRP ETF, also a Solana ETF. So what's the significance of this? Well, we've seen how institutional interest in Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs have brought more mainstream attention and investment to those assets. So if XRP follows suit, it could signal a broader acceptance of altcoins within traditional financial systems. The XRP community is, of course, very eager about this, but we have to wonder, are we seeing a trend that pulls crypto closer to the centralized world, or does this bring crypto one step closer to mass adoption? Now let's take a step back and talk about the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran, which has sent traditional investors scrambling back to gold. Now, this comes as no surprise. Historically, gold has been the go-to safe haven during times of geopolitical uncertainty. But where does this leave Bitcoin? While we're all here talking about Bitcoin's price, the world is literally at war. It's a stark reminder of the sentiment towards decentralized money. People are still hesitant to view Bitcoin as a reliable hedge in terms of crisis. But this is exactly why Bitcoin was created, to operate independently of government controls and provide an alternative when the traditional financial system fails. The masses haven't fully embraced this yet, but it's not if, it's when they do. Let's shift gears and talk about the crypto job market. There's been a recent surge in remote job openings in Web3, ranging from full-time positions to part-time gigs. And guess what? You don't need to be a coder to get involved. There are roles in marketing, project management, community building, and more. This is how the new economy grows, by creating jobs and building a workforce that supports decentralized projects. The exposure you'll get by working in this space is invaluable. You'll not just be earning a paycheck, you're gaining knowledge and skills in an industry that's shaping the future of finance, tech, and even governance. And getting paid in crypto is just a cherry on top. Now we need to talk about Monero, XMR, and the ongoing war on privacy. While the world is fixated on geopolitical conflicts, the war on privacy continues to rage within the crypto sector. Recently, Monero was delisted from a major centralized exchange. We know this one as Kraken. And the reason? Well, obviously, it's just too private. Monero is a favorite among privacy advocates, myself included, because it offers a level of anonymity that no other cryptocurrency does. And this is precisely why it's under attack. Centralized exchanges and governments don't like what they can't control. But let me tell you, privacy is a fundamental right. The cypherpunks who built Monero dedicated their lives to protecting that right, and it's up to us to make sure those efforts weren't in vain. The fact that Monero is being delisted only highlights its strength. As we move toward a world where privacy is harder to come by, Monero's relevance will only grow. So where can you trade Monero now that it's being delisted from centralized exchanges? Well, decentralized exchanges, also known as DEXs, are stepping up. Platforms like Haveno and Sarai offer ways to buy, sell, and trade Monero while maintaining privacy. Unlike centralized platforms, these DEXs don't require you to hand over personal information or trust a third party with your funds. They're part of a broader movement towards decentralized finance, where individuals can trade freely without the oversight of institutions. If you value privacy and freedom, these are the platforms to watch. We've covered a lot today, from the speculative noise of meme coins to the critical importance of privacy and decentralization. Whether it's the rise of XRP ETFs, the continued dominance of gold during geopolitical crisis, or the growing job market in Web3, these developments all point to one thing. The future of crypto is about more than just price action. It's about building systems that empower individuals and protect our rights. Remember, crypto is more than an investment, it's a movement. And every time you choose self-custody, privacy coins, or decentralized platforms, you're participating in that movement. Don't get distracted by the noise, stay focused on what matters, and together we'll build the future of finance. Thanks for tuning in. If you found value in today's video, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep pushing forward in this decentralized revolution. Until next time.